Before we jump into today's video, I have some exciting news to share. I officially released my very first book. It's called Rhinestone Therapy Lessons Learned One Stone at a Time, and it launched June 22nd. It's available now on Amazon, and while you're checking that out, I'd love for you to visit my brand new website, Rhinestone Therapy. You'll see the website right here on the screen. Alright, now let's make something sparkly. This month's Diamond Fire Rhinestones Premiere Pack is this gorgeous watermelon-inspired mix called Watermelon Patch. It also came with coordinating Peridot and emerald rhinestones, plus an adorable little 3D watermelon keychain and some matching glitter. Everything about this pack just screams summer. For this project, I'll be decorating a 16-ounce Plump tumbler from Tipsy Magnolia. The design came from Dandy Fun Designs on Etsy, and I'll have it linked down below in the description box if you'd like to recreate it. I cut the design using Cricut stencil vinyl, then drew a guideline on my tumbler so I can line everything up before wrapping the stencil around the cup. Once everything was in place, I started peeling away sections of the stencil and filling them in with acrylic paint markers. Originally, my plan was to outline the entire design in black, but after a few sections, I realized keeping those lines perfectly straight wasn't happening, so I changed course and only outlined 2 lines in black. Honestly, I think it ended up giving the design a cleaner look. For the remaining outlines, I used Crystal Luster SS6 and Mirage Solid White SS8 to keep those bright white details nice and crisp. Before committing to the entire tumbler, I decided to finish one side first just to make sure I liked how everything was coming together. Once I was happy with it, I moved over to the opposite side. I started filling in the Peridot sections using a mix of sizes ranging from SS12 to SS20. Instead of sticking to one size, I simply grabbed whichever stone fit best to create one smooth row. It makes the coverage look really natural and helps eliminate awkward gaps. While I was working on that, I also laid the foundation rows for the emerald and watermelon patch sections so they could dry while I continue filling in the rest of the green. Once all of the Peridot was finished, it was time to move on to the emerald. And finally, the star of the show, Watermelon Patch. I'm not even going to lie, I was convinced I was going to run out of stones before I finished this cup. I kept looking at the bag thinking there is no way this is enough. Somehow we made it. Now I definitely need another pack because I already have ideas for another project using this mix. And here is the finished tumbler. I absolutely love how bright and summery it turned out, and I think the white outlines really help the colors pop. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and if you recreate this design, don't forget to tag me because I would absolutely love to see your version. If you're shopping at Diamond Fire Rhinestones, be sure to use my discount code Tiana10 to save on your order. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.